Hi folks, Namaskar. Welcome back to my channel, My Silly Suggestions That Work. Guys, today I am going to take you to the class of Mr. Toffee, क्योंकि टॉफी सर की पाठशाला रियली मस्ती की पाठशाला. Toffee sir is quite a chilled out personality. He doesn't force anybody to learn. He just does certain activities, and whatever we want to get out of that, that is up to us. Like we say, जो अच्छा लगे उसे अपना लो, जो बुरा लगे उसे जाने दो. He is quite spontaneous as far as teaching is concerned. So let's have a look at different activities of Toffee sir in the class, and you can see very well how diverse he is. And sir is like that the way he does stretches in the morning can really make even Baba Ramdev proud of him. And throughout the day he is involved in physical activities, running, jumping. He never sits at one place. In this regard, he can teach even Salman Khan a tips or two as far as fitness is concerned. And then comes the cleanliness. Throughout the day he is absorbed in cleaning himself, and he can easily be appointed ambassador of Swachhata Abhiyan by the Prime Minister. He is full of very positive habits. Like when he eats, all his attention is involved in the process, and even after eating he keeps on relishing for 5 minutes or so, in sharp contrast to myself, who doesn't know whether she is eating jamun or gulab jamun, because 50% attention is there in mobile only, even while eating. Although I have tried to improve now myself, and even I have taken a kind of a leaf from his cleanliness, but that has caused quite a dent in my dentist income, because motivated by Toffee sir, I have started brushing my teeth thrice a day, which resulted in better dental care as well as general improvement in health. And I was inspired even by his very active routine of running. I also started walking, but I don't know whether Mr. Toffee is possessed with certain divine power, because as soon as I start walking, he sits in my way. So instead of going straight, I have to walk around him. I don't know whether he wants me to teach कि obstacles के आगे जीत है. If it is the purpose, thank you very much. And he is a very generous soul. He appreciates the food or the other facilities given to him, and tries to reciprocate by gifting us with the cockroaches, mosquitoes, insects, and we also accept wholeheartedly, क्योंकि तोहफे की कीमत या प्रकार नहीं देखा जाता, देने वाले की नीयत देखी जाती है. And Mr. Toffee is a philosopher of highest order. We purchased toys for him, but he is quite contented by playing with the paper bag, or you can say a string or wool. So he has very simple taste, and he is in a way teaching us on a deeper level that if we have Gucci or Parada, we are very thankful to God, but we can find happiness in simple things, like a smile, innocent smile of a child in the company of nature, or by helping somebody, appreciating somebody, like in the company of our friends and near and dear ones. So these simple things, these simple and very precious things, they are really very important to have, you can say, true happiness. Toffee sir, thank you very much for teaching all these, you can say, pearls of wisdom. and Mr. Toffee is very curious and for to satisfy his curiosity he can take risk also. He can jump to a very greater height in a way to satisfy his curiosity, which teaches us that we should always keep the element of knowing new things. Otherwise we become stagnant, boring and discontented. So in the absence of Toffee sir, a nalaik student like me was given the responsibility of revising the lesson. I hope Toffee sir is going to give me at least 33% marks for my performance, and you must have enjoyed the class a little bit. So thank you very much. God bless you. Take care. आप सबका दिन शुभ हो. धन्यवाद.